In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your settings here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and click on the settings button on your screen. This is actually going to be up kind of towards the top left of the screen. It looks like I actually just got a cutscene, so I got to see who I got real quick. Big glow again. I already have this guy. But essentially, hit that little settings gear. It's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this for you. This is the settings menu, and you can adjust things on here like music, sound effects, UI sounds, the coin goop collection sounds, whatever you might want to adjust. And you could scroll down on here. You can change your rare roll cutscenes, walk speed, enemy limit. So much stuff. Go through here, just whatever setting it is that you want. If you're looking for a specific setting, we probably have a video on it. So just search up the setting itself and then put just pause at the end. It's going to pop up. That is actually the full process though. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.